I'd like to invite you to Karina's Kitchen, where you get a very authentic experience. Excuse me, I'm not trying to pay attention to the girls, but I'm trying to fix my necklace because I've been trying to prep this camera and get like a good level for like 30 minutes and I'm sweating. So I just said, turn it on, turn the damn thing on and roll with it. I still don't like this angle, but okay, we'll do this. Whatever, you know, you gotta start somewhere. So, it just needs to be a little bit lower and it's on top of a paper towel and an oatmeal thing leaning on it. So anyway, one day I'll get a little pot thing. Okay, second. Damn, my boobs look big on camera. All right, so I just got finished making, it's gonna be a breakfast burrito. And I've been very excited and cooking so much because for Christmas, I asked my parents for something I was gonna buy myself, a new cooking set. Because I just had a pot here, a pan there, blah, 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 through all the moving, my roommates, this and that. Then I said, you know what? You would cook so much more if you had a great, easy, clean cooking set. And I got it. So I've just been cooking away and I will tell you, I feel fabulous. Because I love eating out too. I have great Uber Eat choices all around me. Very close to Montclair, Park Street. Like, they just have so many great options. Bloomfield Ave, just Uber Eats, Uber Eats, Uber Eats. But I just didn't feel great. And everyone knows that. You can't eat out forever. Like, you know, it's so tasty because they put stuff in it. Even though they say it's healthy, you know. Anyway, so I decided to document some of the stuff I cook. And then one day, when I have a whole better camera situation going on, maybe I could do a Rachel Ray thing, use the little ramekins, add this, add that, try something new. Even though I try new stuff, but it depends on what I have. And I just wish you could taste it. And ladies, if you're gonna do this for your man, or no, if you're gonna do this for someone that you're dating, make sure you really like him because he'll never leave. And they're expensive. So, and I'm getting all my ingredients from Whole Foods mainly because they deliver if you have Amazon Prime. And it's right up the street for me, like literally right up the street for me. So, if you didn't know that already, if you have Amazon Prime, Whole Foods will deliver to you. Now, it's not the Whole Foods that you think is around the corner from you. It's actually like an Amazon Prime Whole Foods Depot because they have a lot more affordable prices. So I got like my weekend's worth, I got my week's worth of groceries, skimped, okay? Didn't get a pound of turkey, ground turkey breast. I got a quarter. Okay, because times are tight this week. So just know that you have options, and you have to pay $5 for delivery, and then you tip. And then, unfortunately, sometimes I don't have the stuff you want. I have to work on that, itemizing the receipt, but it's okay. It's okay. Just know that Whole Foods has great foods. They taste so much different. Organic. I feel great. My puppy, he hurt his leg, so he's on these medications for 4 more days. So he doesn't know how great it tastes yet because he's just annoyed at the world, including me, right, Babo? And sleeping. But just makes a big difference. You feel better. It's a placebo effect, I think, but honestly, okay? And it's not expensive. It is affordable, especially on Amazon Prime, because like I said, things that cost pounds See my neighbors. I don't want them to know what the fuck I'm doing. People are so fucking nosy, especially. Anyway, you could, make them smaller. Like, oh, I want to taste what that filet mignon is. Not for all of them, but for some, you could just get like a 1/4 pound. Anyway, I knew I should have put a cap on. Okay, so I made, hold on 1 second. Let me just get it looking pretty. One moment. Oh, I forgot the music. Fuck. Okay, I got my plate and the music. So, can we show it? Okay. So this is spinach and cheese, eggs. There's 3 of them in there. I just like held it so that, okay. I chopped the spinach so it would look better because I am making a breakfast burrito. So it like, when you bite into the burrito, you wouldn't just like look like long spinach. It would just be easier to eat and more enjoyable, I think. Because I think if it's easy to eat, it's more enjoyable. But certain things, they're so good, it doesn't matter how hard it is to eat or messy. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is put this to the side. This is so weird. I chop bacon bits. I'm not a fan of this bacon that Whole Foods brought me. It was a substitute, but it'll work. It's bacon. I love bacon. Okay, so I chopped them to put them on top. I was gonna put them inside the scrambled eggs, but I was like, nah, they'll be soggy, so I'm gonna put them on top. Like, we'll see. And then Whole Foods has these wonderful burritos. If you want, I'm gonna let you know the names of all these items. These burritos are fucking amazing. I made, not burritos, tortillas, like the burrito ones, like the big. I made a burrito the other night. I've never had a burrito like that. I have never had a burrito like that. Hopefully I can make it again. All the ingredients were just on point. I don't know what kind of it was just great. It was very filling. Put a lot of, I don't want to talk about it because I'm going to make one later. But don't tell anyone, because I'm not sharing these until I figure out that I'm not sharing them. So anyway, so here are the tortillas. So what you do is like, these tortillas, since I guess they're super organic, they get kind of like wet in the fridge, and I've only had them for like 5 days. So what I did is wrap them in foil, kind of like routine, like put them in the oven at 350 until this was ready. And they're big, so for my breakfast burrito, at least they're big. Oh my god, the music's off. Oops. All right. 9 minutes. All right. So it's like 2 of these. And they're just, they feel like roti, but just amazing. Flour, honey, I don't care about, I mean, corn's good if you like it, but flour. So I'm gonna use this one, because I'm not that hungry right now, because after you cook, you don't get that hungry. And I'm gonna play music while I plate. All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, so it's a lot of eggs for that. Depends on how messy you want to be. So I'm just gonna put, like, this is science. I got to show you guys this. Whatever, Karina, whatever entertains you, right? But this was like 3 large eggs, so I put like 2.5 pieces of American. You can use whatever cheese. I like whatever cheese and eggs. I love cheese and eggs. Bacon bits. Burrito. And this is the challenge. Getting it all to fit together. Antisocial pessimist. So I'm just gonna try to make this burrito leg. Thank God the camera can't see my nails because they're shut down in my hands. But this might just be a taco. Yeah. It's Friday and it's 5 o'clock somewhere. So it's gonna be a taco. Normally when you fold a burrito, like there's a way you pack it. I have never done that successfully. Shout out to Pam. She showed me, but I mean, Zoe, I don't know. This is your burrito. Spinach, eggs, and bacon. I never know. Oh yeah, this side I'm gonna start from. Outside's like that. Outside's like that. So as it falls out, you put some back in because there's extra. All right, here we go. This is cheese. It's good, but it wasn't as good as it was last time because this is American. But it's good. I gotta get cheddar. They didn't have cheddar when I went to the corner store, not from Whole Foods, but I don't care. Doesn't matter, it's cheese. Next time I might do mozzarella though, because I have mozzarella. Anyway, it's rocking. And it's healthy, you know? Thank you. Pause. That's why I say these motherfuckers been nosy, because this is the view. It's like, the people on this side are nice. Nice Mr. Upstart. Babo. Thank you for cooking with Karina. Have a nice day. And remember, if it tastes good, it can't be that bad.